What is the protocol for taking off shoes? When you go inside a home, are you supposed to take off shoes or are you supposed to leave them on? Or how does that work for a open house?
Booties, disposable booties. Have a basket of that you put over your shoes.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Just across the board, it's the most respectful thing to do. That
Mhm.
we don't have to worry about anyone tracking anything in. I will tell you though, you need to watch out, no offense, for kiddos and husbands, because they'll walk in the backyard with those booties and then come back in the house with those booties,
Oh,
packing leaves and dirt and all kinds of fun stuff. So the purpose of the booties is to keep the floors clean.
oh.
So keep an eye out at that back door when they come back in.
Yep.
Is it wrong to have a little sign out front that says take the booties off or leave a little basket, put your booties here, and then when you come back inside, put them back on?
It's not wrong at all, but most people don't pay attention to it.
Oh,
They're looking at the backyard and they're excited about the pool or the landscaping or whatever it is. So we just remove all of that for them and just remind them to slip them off before they head out and put them back on when they head back in the house. Most
awesome.
people have had their floors professionally cleaned.
Uh-huh.
And so, yeah, it's just easier. If you ask people to remove their shoes, it's a lot of effort and work, and a lot of people aren't comfortable with that and they're not prepared to do that. So booties across the board is the best option for sure.
We usually have a little basket with a sign that says fresh shoe covers with a smiley.
Wow.
And we put it right in the center of the entry. So you have to literally walk over the top of it to get it. I mean,
love
it's
that.
a little off center, but you're tripping over it if you walk through that door.